guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video,
yeah, what going people, you don't know, it's a boy Kyng Taj here. So right about now, what that Neutrogena, yeah, so she's putting on the Neutrogena on her cheeks, she's applying it on her forehead and on her cheeks. She's rubbing it in gently, yeah, because you know you have to rub it in real nice and smooth. Yeah, so right about now, she has shown a thing named Fit Me. I don't know what that she just show like about, is it? Yeah, so she rub it under her eye them, on her cheeks them, and on her chin and on her forehead and under her neck. Yeah, Wakanda! Yeah, so you have to give that Wakanda look there, and so she'll show you thick ties save lives, people, in a real life. Yeah, right about now, she's just rubbing it in under her neck. Guys, you have to make sure you rub it in properly, because you know, it have to blend. She has spray a little water upon the brush. I don't know. Oh, she. Alright. She rub it in back again. Yeah, she have to make sure say everything pebble. You know what I mean? She get a little dances and things. Cause you don't know the rubbing and go on in a bag of things. See, she hold her head there and she rub it in because she don't want to touch her ear. See it? She dance again. Alright. See it there again. Thick ties save life. Alright, so right about now, she kind of done rub it in now. So she dance again. Yeah. Alright, she have a little pencil with a little brush them with a stick off it. She so she rotted. How that now? She what you call it? She pencil her eye them, eyebrow. Yeah, her eyebrow them, so you know what I have to like get the eyebrows in a specific shape and pattern. So you know she line it up. Yeah, so make sure you line up your eyebrow them good people, you know what I mean? Those nice eyebrows, you know? Yeah, she's making sure that her things are lining properly. Okay, so right about now, the eyes them look very lovely. She's moving on to the left eye, you know? She'll rub on some more things and she'll try to catch that little farm there. You know what I mean? So make sure you dry it come all the way up back to which part your eye meet with the eyebrow out on the back right there, so. You know, right about now, what that concealer. So she'll look how much concealer she for apply. What she do? Rotted. So she put on the concealer under her eye. Them I don't know for why reason. I don't know why she do this, but she make 2V under her eye and one long straight line on her nose and one little thing over her lip, and she rub them in right now, people. She rub with the blender thing, you know. Alright, so she rub out on her eye them and she rub out the next eye, you know. Yeah? Alright, mind careful. Alright. So yeah, so she done rub out everything now and she had dance. She have the time of her life over there. What that? Banana, what that? A banana. Oh, so she put some banana powder on her face now. I must smoothie she make. Me don't know what she do, but she put on the banana powder under her eye them. Under her chin, yeah. Banana powder, people, you know. I don't know why it for, but it seemed like it go on. Yeah, so she take out the brush now and she rub out the banana powder. You know, she blend in the smoothie. You know, as I say, it for smooth. Alright, so she rub in the banana in her face, banana powder. Yeah, looks good, fabulous. Alright, she'll look for her next brush. How that now? Alright, she said she got mix up some thing on her face now. So she put on what that you have on your face. How one? Alright, so she rub in the powder on her face now. She rub it in. Alright, so the powder. How that? Alright, so she rub something on her cheek, you know. I don't know what I want to your face. How that now? Alright, so she brands up her thing now. Her cheek them a come to life now, and her nose. How that? Rotted. A Harlem shake. Alright, so it look like say she finish up her face now. She's applying the lip balms and the lip glosses. You know, so she rub it on. Oh gosh. Alright. So hey, mind that you cut your eye, you know. Watch out. So she a rub on some black something under her eye, you know. And me I tell this girl, man, to joke out her eye still, cause I don't even know if she have insurance on this thing. Alright, so it look like she done do, and she done almost joke out her eye. And she continue attempt for joke out her eye. I don't know why. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, she done joke out her eye. Wow, she done. Oh gosh, you look nice, girl. I'm not tell no lie. Yeah, I love your smile and your style. Yeah, yeah. Whoa.